Hi everybody, Jason with Course Motorsports here. Today we're sitting in a 2017 Mercedes Sprinter van. This one happens to be an Airstream conversion. We're going to be doing an installation of a direct fit phone mount on it. To do the installation, you could use some trim tools, but it actually comes apart pretty easily with your hands. The direct fit bracket that we've made will work on either side of the display screen here. So to get started, we're going to open up this cubby here, and you have this wood grain trim that kind of goes around your radio and everything. If you have more of a fleet style van, it will probably just be black plastic, but it's held in with clips, so if you just grab onto it, work your way around, you can just pop it out. And when you don't have to, but there is a plug here for all your buttons. I'm going to take it off just to be able to show you what we're doing here. The next step would be to take your bracket. There's some double-sided sticky tape. It's going to basically go on and make a sandwich here. It's going to go all the way up and bump into this top clip on either side. For the purpose of this installation, we're going to put it on the driver's side. So what we'll do is we'll peel the double-sided sticky tape off. And this is simply to aid in installation. It's going to have a pretty good clamping effect once it goes onto the trim. I have also already assembled the aluminum ball from the other parts that you're going to get. And I think for this one, it's a good idea to do, because what you're going to do is if you put like the bottom of the inside over this lip first, you're going to kind of tip it and use the ball to kind of slide it. And you want to just push it in, squeeze it tight, just like so. And we're right up against the top of that clip. That's all there is for the installation of the direct fit bracket. We'll reconnect our plug, and we will just do the opposite, remembering that you need to put the bottom of the trim in first. So try to sink those clips in, make sure everything's lined up, clip everything back on, and that's all there is to the bracket install. Next, you'll take your box of goodies here. We're going to have an alcohol prep pad. You can use this to clean off the surface to put the sticky tape on. You can also use it to clean off the back of your phone if you don't have a MagSafe Apple phone. We're including a single-sided sticky steel ring that you'd use to be able to attach Course Motorsports sticker with a QR code. That takes you to our website. You'd normally have the aluminum ball. This is the Allen wrench included to tighten the aluminum ball to the bracket. And this is our MagSafe magnetic head. So we're going to remove the ball from the MagSafe magnetic head, drop it over the top of the aluminum ball, pop the head on. We're going to tighten down the locking collar. Then this is where you would put the steel ring on the back of your phone. This happens to be a MagSafe phone with a MagSafe case. So you simply just stick it on there, and that's all there is to it.